Today we'll be using the Nova 51 machine at hand to process this oversized wooden board. Clearly, we cannot process this wooden board in a single pass. So, how can we solve this problem? Please come with us. First, we need to pre-process the file. Import the file we want to process into Lightburn and divide the file into 2 equal sections. For the convenience of subsequent processing, we also need to add a cross mark on both sides at each junction of the sections. The software portion is now completed. Moving on to the next step, transmit the configured files to the machine and initiate the machine's part. Then, locate the files we just transmitted on the machine and confirm that the files are correct. Bring out the prepared board. Place it on the machine, making sure it stays level. All right, let's dive into the next part of engraving. This involves maneuvering the laser head to the crosshair we've set up. To pinpoint the mark more precisely, we can switch the laser head's movement mode from continue to manual. Before commencing the engraving of the second section, it is necessary to make some minor adjustments to the markings in Lightburn. Wow, what a fantastic piece of craftsmanship. Why don't you give it a try as well?